The T-fal ProGrade Nonstick Fry Pan 12-inch is a great addition to any kitchen. It's like having a reliable friend when you're cooking. This pan heats up quickly and evenly. Food slides right off its nonstick surface. Cleaning is a breeze because nothing sticks. The T-fal ProGrade Nonstick Fry Pan 12-inch is also safe for the oven and broiler up to 500 F. This means you can start cooking on the stove and finish it in the oven. It saves you time and effort. This T-fal ProGrade Nonstick Fry Pan 12-inch is made with strong material. It feels solid and durable. The black finish looks sleek and professional. My wife loves using this pan because it makes cooking simpler. There are no more frustrating stuck-on foods. This pan offers helpful shortcuts in the kitchen. It makes cooking enjoyable and less of a chore. It's a fantastic pot for everyday cooking tasks. If you are looking for a dependable nonstick pan, consider this one. The T-fal ProGrade Nonstick Fry Pan 12-inch offers excellent performance and convenience. It's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is super easy. While it doesn't come with a cover, its other elements make up for it. This pan will help you save time and achieve a perfect finish on your meals. It's a worthwhile investment for any home cook. Pros: oven safe to 500 F, broiler safe, dishwasher safe, durable, easy to clean, heats evenly. Secure grip handle, long-lasting. Cons: uneven heating, center is higher, oil runs off, not fully flat, indicator not useful. Nonstick durability? Handle can warp, flimsy feel, coating might wear, needs soft utensils. Features: nonstick 12-inch, induction safe, oven safe, broiler safe, 500 F safe, cookware, pots and pans, dishwasher safe, black. This 12-inch T-fal ProGrade Nonstick Fry Pan is a versatile and convenient addition to any kitchen. It's designed with a nonstick surface, so food won't easily stick, making cooking and cleaning easier. This pan is safe to use on all stovetops, including induction, and can also go in the oven and under the broiler at temperatures up to 500 degrees F. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which simplifies cleanup even more. The black color gives it a sleek look. This T-fal ProGrade 12-inch nonstick fry pan is advertised as durable, easy to clean, and safe for the oven and broiler up to 500 degrees F. As well as being dishwasher safe, it's also said to heat evenly and have a secure handle. However, some users have noted that the pan doesn't heat evenly, with the center being higher causing oil to run off, and that it's not fully flat. There are also concerns about the nonstick coating's long-term durability, the handle potentially warping, and the pan feeling flimsy, with the coating possibly wearing off and requiring soft utensils. Some found the heat indicator not very helpful.